Fiji Warriors versus Australian country.
The domestic competitions, the Skipper Cup, and the Tier 2 competition, which is known as the Vanua. And that's the first penalty for the visitors, and they are hyped up about it as well. Hilarious. Well, definitely. This is such as suicide. Here goes the Stockies. Preston. It's a big defensive effort. They get a chance to run these. The Stockman, 8 of goal. Ball spilled, but Hunt gets it. Warriors defense being tested here early. Under 4 minutes gone. They go through the middle. Oh, Holland. That's a good piece of work from Holland. Nothing fancy here from the Stockies. Coming in there with a big shoulder in is Natau Marika. We still have all in pitch on the far side. Well, 2 players in the 5 jumper. Jack Preston. They drive off Preston. Good work by the Stockies forwards. Boy, this looks solid. They still go through. They are just a meter out now. The Stockman. Ball is available. They get it out and over the line, and this for the first try. Set piece line out. Preston got it. The forwards did their work. They combined. They were solid. The Warriors had to work hard. They were backpedaling. I think it's Preston. First chance for the Warriors to strut their start. Here they come. That's Sivaniolo Lumelume. Ebenezer Navula takes it through. Batimala sends it across. Good work by Bosayado, the skipper. This time the Australian defense tested Rugby Wasa. Great pick off the deck. Here they go. Tokan Dua Sefanaya steps off the right and goes through. Come back. I think that pass went forward. Represented the Queensland Reds under 19 back in 2022. Sefanaya Tokan Dua. Says play on. Guess who? Scott once again tries to run away on that occasion, but finally got beaten by Ponipate Tuberi. They outnumbered at the breakdown, the Stockies. But the Warriors penalized. Look out for the bounce. Oh, well picked up by McFarlane. Good work. Now the Stockies fly half, play on. Batimala finally gets it. Tuberi to the rescue. Is a bit scrappy from them. Ravi Wasa standing start. Good carry by the number 3. Batimala, Tuberi this time. Lumelume. Oh, now they shifted the Warriors. On the outside, the speedster. That was Driver. Still going through. Oh, good work, Nasalo. The inside center all the way to the try line, and they will not be denied this time. Warriors have it. Vosayado controlling it at the back. Better scrum this time from the Warriors. They have the advantage. Batimala gets it out and Tuberi loses it. They get it going again here, the Stockman. But the referee says they were playing under a penalty advantage. 4-man line out for the Warriors. They take a short one in front. Brighton leg. Good work. They're close to the line, the Warriors. Ball is available here for them. Oh, held up. Sefanaya. Tokanduandua tries to go through. Sets it up well this time. Ebenezer Navula, Napolioni Batimala gets it off the deck. And losing it is Driver. So advantage here for Andrew McFarlane and the Stockies. Short of the half, Batimala gets it out again, and space here to work with for the Warriors, and going through the skipper. Vosayado, he needs support. Hits the deck, and the offloads come off the deck as well. I think that was Marika Natau. Tokanduandua links up with Tuberi. Tuberi takes on the big Jack Preston. Batimala sees the space. Nuku is after it. Oh, spinning out of that one. Good work. Oh, but he loses it. McFarlane. Keeper Cup semi-final against Kadavu. Referee telling the Warriors to use the ball for Sayado. Takes it into contact. Batimala gets it out. Here's Michael Ferre. He'll be there as well on Saturday, getting the ball out. Oh, losing the ball forward there was Brighton leg. They're using the advantage here. The Stocky. Just over the 10-meter line they go, the Stockies. Zipped up. Good work. That's the line out from the Stockies. They march through the middle again. Big carry from Holland. They quickly shift it. This is Pratt once again. Scarf looks for it. Oh, darting run by Scarf. He's a meter short of the line. The big can go. Good work here by the Stockies. They're allowed to take advantage of the extra men that they have. Driven back. Maguire. Counter-ruck is good from the Warriors, but we'll go back for the earlier infringement. Talbot is there. They give it to the open side flanker, Holland. Scarf goes back to the short side. Finds Turner, the vice-captain. They secure the ball here. They slowly go through the middle. Holland. A short one. There's the line. Half a meter short. Oh, did he get it? Did he get it down? That's... have another try before halftime. Remember, they have the advantage with an extra player. Here they go again. Good defensive play from the Warriors. Good work. Hunt. Double movement. Well, referee says play on. Here's Lumelume. It's crappy. Well, you can't blame them. The slippery conditions out here. Lost forward by goal first. Nandronga boy. 22 years of age. He gets it off for Tuberi. Here comes Lumelume. Good run by Lumelume Batimala. Sends it across for Nadi Grant, his first touch. Quickly recycled. Batimala. Here's Tuberi. A short one for the fullback. Tokandua. Oh, he needs to control this. A brilliant try from Sivaniolo Tokandua, the fullback. Tuberi saw the opportunity, putting Tokandua into space. He had a bit of work to do. Some lovely touch.
Second half.
And here they go. Wasa coming through like a loose man. And he goes over the 10-meter line. Warriors will get a penalty. Now the Warriors, Jozulo Imbao, claimed at the back. Here they go, and straight through. A meter short, Batimala, Wasa, and he gets over the line. Wasa, oldest player on the park, 29 years of age. The man from Taveuni in the Kaundrove. Nadi Grant is still out there. Tuberi kicking it across the park. Good work by McFarlane. They tried to get him over the line. Hayden, Pratt. Riley Turner. The no-look pass. Good work. Again, Hayden Pratt. Boy, he's been their go-to man. But being by his opposite number, Apimeleki Nasalo. One of the Warriors' try scorers. Ball is available here for the halfback. Good work. They nearly lost that. They tried to Javen Scuff. Oh, that's good work. Under pressure. Isaac once more. They take the tap. Ball is available. Batimala gets it going again. This time it's the replacement prop, Nadi Grant. Batimala. This is Lotawa. Isaiah Lotawa. Ferrey, Tuberi, Bosayado. Gains about 8 meters there, the Warriors, with that run from Bosayado. Set piece. Nadi Grant, oh, did that go forward? No. Nasalo gets a second bite at the cherry. Pala, Josulu Imbao, Lumelume. Here's Tokandua on the outside to Driver. From Tokandua to Judan Driver. Ball in an offside position. Played the ball in an offside position. That's why he was penalized. 17-7. Shop Save Supermarket Fijian Warriors in front. Wanga for the Warriors, but it looks like the Stockies have got their second try. Warriors, playing for the Warriors. Oh, Michael Ferrey misses it at the back. Batimala goes through and tries to win the ball back, but came out second best. Scuff, Marika Natao, that's forward and they'll be penalized, the Warriors. Take it quickly here, the Stockies. They spread it. This is something new from them. They're trying to play the Warriors at their own game. Shifting the ball quickly. It's a big run on the outside. They come up slowly here. Oh, it's been scooped up at the back, and there's the new man. I think it's Paul Dolokoto. Can they get him on the outside? Oh, he'll surely run in. Paul Dolokoto, the super winger, seizing the opportunity. Batimala is still up there. Oseyato controlling it at the back. He's calm at the back here. Oseyato tries to go out on the short side. They finally get him down. Marika Natao holds it up nicely. Good work by Natao. Ball comes off. Here's Ndolokoto once again, the try scorer. The ball is secured here. Batimala, Osborne this time. First carry for the big prop. Still going, Osborne. Alan Osborne, the former Ratu Sikuna Memorial School student from Vanua Cup in Lau. They have the penalty. Tasalusalu. That wasn't straight. The Stockmen have a new halfback. Set piece play. Again, another good carry by Hayden Pratt. Boy, the carpenter who represented the Far Coast region in New South Wales. One of the standout players for the Stockies this afternoon. Now, Lumelume looks for space. Durusolo is there in support. The Kadavu fullback. Go through the middle. Matayasi Twisirelli. Osborne again. Another big carry by Osborne. Nedley Granter. The Nandronga player goes in. Oh, gave it to the wrong man, but play on. Here they go. Matayasi again. Ball is available here for the Warriors. They line up to the right, but they decide to keep it in the traffic. Matayasi to Isirelli. Osborne there with him. Their chance to defend here, the Stockies. Josulu Imbau is out there again. Tabakau Thoro gets it out. Good work by Nasalo. Ball comes loose. Basilala, the Flying Fijians, are back also there. Warriors get a penalty. Nedley Grunt. Oh, but Osborne takes it off him. Osborne tries to force his way through. Ball is there for the Warriors. I think the forwards will keep it close here. Nedley Grunt tries to go through himself. Marika Natao is also in there. Well, they spread it, the Warriors. They rumble through the middle, and someone has gone over the line for the Warriors for their fifth try. I think it's Josulu Imbau. The skipper up, and here goes the Warriors once again. They spread it. They come through the middle. It's Nasalo once again, the inside center, Apimeleki. Good work by Lumelume. Good, solid carry from Lumelume. Now they spread it. Tuberi, Osborne runs onto it. They go digging for it. Now Tuberi finds space. Here's the big lock, Marika Natao, and they gave it to the man himself, Sevuloni Tawake, the man from Navosa. Some Fijian flair on show. First it was Tuberi, then Natao. Look out for that offload. Sevuloni Tawake, the former Fiji Sevens rep. Clark. Represented New South Wales country as well. He's the new man in the 9 jumper. Get it through the middle again. Good work by Turner. It's a big carry by him. Rather, that's Swagger who's come in. Joss. This is Jake McPhee. Now Josh Swagger again. The replacement players surely having an impact for the... They got it at the back. Good work by Turner. Rather, that's Swagger who's gone in. The pick and go. They are close here, the Stockies. 5 meters out. They keep it tight. They can smell blood. Now they spread it. The crossfield kick. They should get it. Oh, great try. Derek Ledger. Fruit farmer in far north Queensland getting the final try. Some great work from the Stockies.
Full time. Fiji Warriors 36-19 Australian country.
Great effort from both teams.
Yes, a little disappointing. We obviously came here with a goal to put up a good fight and win and hopefully win a game against a really formidable opposition. In the I think the Australian boys from where we came from, all around different parts of Australia, to get together only 2 weeks ago. I think we've done a really good job and we should be very proud of our efforts today. I think just playing to the conditions. The last couple of games we've had in Fiji were very hot games and dry, and I think we tried to play a little bit of that style and go wide during the game when the rain was coming down. So yeah, just tightening up and playing some direct football, which the Fijians did very well. And they've done very well. Obviously, they're a high-performance unit. A lot of young guys coming through to represent Fiji on the national stage, hopefully one day. And I think there's a lot of good talent throughout the squad, and they should be very proud of how they held themselves. And lastly, I just wanted to say thanks to the Australian supporters that have come out here and supported us throughout this, and also thanks to Rugby Australia and Fiji Rugby for hosting us and putting this game on, and Savenaca Durusolo level to everyone as well.
First and foremost, credit and honor goes to the Lord, our provider. With the game today, couldn't get what we've achieved. Squad today, without him, we will get nothing. For me personally, this victory means so much. Before coming into the game, I know I and the team, we were given just 1 week to prepare for these games. Coming back from Skipper Cups, quarterfinals, some from the Vanua Cup competition. There's a lot of distraction back in the camp, especially some of our management coaches left us last week and some earlier yesterday. That didn't drag us back. We managed to achieve our goal today. Wiki mningan to nibetoko ni nababe binakalibu namasu nanu nibetoko ni wala namasu kito na lentim kito na daro bibi wiki mningan mamilo ni mobile ibiti babalangi babe binatan nibetoko ni bikem to menakoro me menambal-bal babe binagi na meboko ni namasu akaka ko yung babe mi nakalibu.